Ever tried setting up an automation workflow and felt like you'd just signed up for an advanced calculus exam instead? Seriously, choosing between Langchain and N8N in 2025 feels like deciding between two very different programming languages. Both powerful, but totally different vibes. So which one's actually better for you? Let's break it down like I'm chatting with a friend who's been in the automation trenches. First off, Langchain is AI wizardry central. It's fantastic if your project revolves around smart AI workflows. Think chatbots that understand context, apps that manage complex data, or agents that make decisions. Reddit and Trustpilot users love its flexibility and depth, but warn you gotta bring your coding A-game. This isn't a drag and drop affair. Expect to write, debug, and tweak. On the flip side, N8N is the visual DIY leader. Think about crafting your workflow in the visual mode, integrating more than 300 apps, and writing custom code when you please. Its self-host and open source characteristics allow it to offer freedom and anonymity. All the same, the comments from people on Reddit reveal newbies may be intimidated by its vastness. Check this quick look. If you want AI wizardry and don't mind coding, Langchain is gold. If visual flows and flexibility sound better, go for N8N. Like this no-nonsense review, hit subscribe and check out my next vid to keep your automation game strong and sane.